Welcome to my Arduino programming series. In the last video, we wrote a function to read the voltage of a pin. In this video, I'm going to write a function to write voltage to a pin. I start by creating a new variable called DC_val. DC_val will store the value of the returned duty cycle. I assigned the name writeMV to the function. It will return an integer, and it will be passed two variables. TMP pin for the pin number to write to, and TMP MV for the amount of millivolts to write to the pin. To get the value and duty cycle, we remap TMP MV from 0 to VREF into 0 to 255. And then the value will be written to TMP pin. Now, to write voltage to a pin, we use the function writeMV, the pin number, and then the millivolts to write to the pin. In this case, I use 3.3 volts. DC_val will store the duty cycle that is written to the pin, and then serial will print that value in the window. I used pin 9, so I will set it to output. I commented out readMV for testing purposes. The duty cycle that is written to the pin is 171. This reads out on the voltmeter as 3.29 volts. The accuracy of the function is 10 millivolts. What tutorial would you like to see next? Leave down in the comments. In the description, you can find the code in this video and many more. I hope you've learned something from this video. Have a nice day.